Hello everyone, welcome back to KhmerueTeams official channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you or take you how to change Mobizen logo to your own logo. Now we're gonna get a start altogether. So now click on Mobizen and turning on. You will see the welcome screen for the first installation in your phone like this. And it will take some adjustment for display. So now I'm gonna click to next and allow everything to be recorded inside your phone. Now go to setting here and we can drag it to be display it over the apps. So it can make you allow. It can allow you to open through the apps. So now we're gonna see here it is the default logo is appearing in logo that called Mobizen. So if you have a full version of this app, you can change it completely to your own logo. So now go ahead and click on that. And you will see the Windows icon like this. It looks like a Windows, and then click OK. And now we're gonna see on the gear icon here. We're starting with the gear icon. And you scroll down, you will see the ear circle option here. So now go ahead and click on this one, and then go to picture here, and then press on the plus mark here and then choose the picture that you want to add to appearing inside the logo. So now go ahead and click and choose one of your photo that you want to make it to default logos mark. When you do this, it can help you to make easy and it support well to. It can help you to make a video tutorial or screen recorder that appearing your logo just inside the video. So now after you have been already chosen, so now click on apply here, and now you will see the logo is appearing like this. And so you can also, even scrolling down or up or anything when you record a screen just inside your video tutorial. So it can help you to be a mouse pointer just like this also. So thank you for watching my video tutorial.